Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I know I have not been on here in quite some time. So, hi there. How are we? How have we been? We're going to get into where I've been for a little bit, but let's tell you what's going on in this video. So this video is pretty much from the title, Harley Quinn. A while back, Moyu London had this set. I have all of the whole collection from Moyu London of DC Comics. I love comics as well as nails. That's one of my things. So this design is just me playing around with the set. It's some reverse stamping. It's just experimenting with old school Harley and new school Harley. So I'm not going to really talk about what's going on in the video. You can see that here and how I just do everything. But wow, how have we been? This is a little strange recording, honestly. A lot of things have happened, and it's funny that the last tutorial was The Little Mermaid, and then this one is Harley Quinn, as these two are two of my favorite all-time characters ever. Like, if you would have asked me what is Gina's favorite characters, Harley Quinn and Ariel, hands down. You can see it got stuck right there. Life has been lifing for me. I got a new job. I've been doing some testing. I've also been on a different platform. So a lot of times I'm not on here. If I'm not on here, I'm actually on other social media platforms such as TikTok. That's the main one that I'm on. So I'm usually on TikTok. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because I do want to come back with regular content. But in the comments, tell me. Honestly, one of the things as to why I was not uploading is because it's not that I fell out of love with nails. It's like I felt like I had to compete or keep up with the trends and everything that happens on this app or on other social media apps in order to gain views, gain subscribers. And honestly, some of the things that were happening is not my vibe, and I really wanted to create this channel to showcase my art and how I decide to do, press on nails and different designs. So I'm just going to get back to that. With that being said, it is a lot easier for me to do shorts. I can actually get those out a lot quicker. Actually, at the time of me doing this voice recording, I'm actually proud of myself, and I can say that I have batch content, and I have even more so by the time this video is actually out. I probably might have 2 weeks worth of content, batched out for the rest of the month. So in the comments down below, let me know, would you rather tutorials or shorts? Honestly, the tutorials may come, I don't know. It depends upon the sets that I'm doing. Maybe there might be another one or two for this month, but everything else would be shorts. And like I said, that would keep me more consistent on this platform. It's just easier to film. It's easier to edit with my scheduling. I figured out some other things with editing. So I would prefer doing shorts, but I want to know, I do want to be respectful of my subscribers and what you guys want to see as well. So let me know if you want shorts or full tutorials. Also, thank you for those that have been rocking with me. We are close to 200 subscribers. Yay. I would love by the end of the year if we could possibly get to, I'm not even going to be that picky, 250. If I could get my channel to 250 by the end of the year, I would be greatly, highly appreciative. So here you just see I did an ombre nail, and then we're doing a little bit of diamonds as well as the skull. So this set was kind of celebrating both sides of Harley Quinn. We do have the old school Harley Quinn where she has the clown court jester outfit, and then we have new school Harley where she has the pigtails and the pink and the blue. Personally, I grew up with old school Harley, but I will say Margot Robbie forever and always will always be Harley Quinn. I cannot unsee it. It can't be undone. It's kind of like when Hugh Jackman will always be Wolverine. Like, it's one of those type of things. So we're just over here doing actually Harley right now, and we're gonna see some reverse stamping. What else is to come on the channel? So like I said again, be sure that you're following my other socials. I am gonna start uploading on the other socials more often as well, and some things will be on those other socials that will not be coming on over here. So by the time you see this, there's actually I did Joker over there on my TikTok, so be sure to check that out, show it some love. And I just want to have fun with the nails. My main thing is honestly nail stamping like this, and the gems. I really do like those two. I might try to hand draw a little bit. I don't know. I'm not that girl. I may practice that on the off period and keep you abreast of how that journey goes. But me and hand drawing, we're not really the best of friends right now. We are not even acquaintances. We are in the same room. I may partner up with a hand drawing, draw a single straight line, but nothing crazy like this. That would take some time. I am rambling right now. But yeah, we're doing the other Harley, and then we're going to stamp that on. And then I'm going to show you the final piece. I did mat these all out. This video was actually recorded a long time ago, and I actually have a better matte top coat that I'm absolutely in love with. I may do a video about that. So again, just thanks for sticking with me, for rocking with me. I am back. It is that time of year where it's fall and Christmas, so there will be some more fall and Halloween and Christmas. Again, follow my other platforms on TikTok at Siren Beauty, as well as my IG at Siren Beauty. I have a nail collection actually that I'm selling over on Instagram, taking orders over there. That's where all the information is. If something changes, I will keep you abreast of it. But yeah, that's what's going on, and I'm happy to be back. So we're just gonna finish up with Harley and matte coat, and I'll see you next time. Coated. Thank you again for joining me. I am back. Let me know in the comments below if you want shorts or tutorials, and until next time, bye.